With a baseball pass. Still on good pass on Morado. The rebound. With the ball pass, Arzina. Ends at Almasa in traffic, labas kay Namwag, and Namwag nakita sa patumayan with a 10 seconds sa kanyang shot up. Bordas with a wide open, perfect! Diamante ang nalaig sa rebound with a bounce pass, agad na pasa kay Manula. Wara pass, Namwag and Namwag with a baseball pass, Bastian Luzman, correct, Bastian napaiwas, and yung defense sa kanyang gilid. Evelyn Canasardi against the defense of Bordas with the 15 seconds on the shot clock. Anyone? Oh, what a long 2 points. What a Seichi last open. And that was Nakawala Morado. And Bordas, Almasa sa kanang gilid. Alis pa mga with one other shot. Oh, what a pass. Almasa. Oh, and Maldaba Canasardi was John with the running charm. And that was Almasa. Wait a minute. Still on Namwag with a right finger shot para kay Namwag ang big shot ng team of Bonggador. And Lasarte sa gitna ay Diamante Enzo pass. Cosme with a one open. Baglinawan fires. Bingo! Baglinawan. Oh, hawa niya doon ngayon na. Nawas ng tayo nun. And Cosme fires. Kay Kusen. Baik, ese pass, sa gitna, Bastian for Drake, money! What a play, Diamante, ese pass kay Kusen, rebound pass, Barrett, what a pass! Oh, nice! And Bordas, nakawala, Bordas! It's the second quarter, walang kukulang ng layo pa. Ang pasan, Espinosa is still on the aspect. Look at the deep. Agawan and Barrett nakawalan and the pass Espinosa in traffic. Nakatala with the steal of Baglinawan. Tana! Yes, and Espinosa and the pass Panwayan Unipon. Ang Pascal Shotcam ng Bonggador. Panwayan Isilina. Amanda sa gitna. Kay Morado, sa bandang gilid, Baglinawan, with the bounce pass, Arzina, inside pass, Morado with the long throw, pasok yan!
Klaro mo na ako. Kasi nag-unaw na ako.
And the pass, Bayunon, Bumangga, Bayunon with a running jump. Bayunon, Panwayan, Ezelia, Panwayan. And Baglinawan, perfectly, Baglinawan, 4-3. Down the middle, and I pass para kay Diamante. With a basket. namuwag sa gitna. Sa mga habang kalakay ni Diamante, load pass, pag ginawan, in traffic na palabas, Morado, stick back by the road, pasok yan! Just more Morado! Magcornas, with the close pass, by the mark, Espinosa, step back for three, Mane! Espinosa, ball! Malula, and the pass to John, the defense of Diamante, pass John Pina, on the defense of Diamante, with a 1 bonus break roll. 4 minutes and 3 seconds. On the bed, it's a 3-point play. Lucas John and Pamogas with a 1 pass. Diamante, inside pass. Pamogas, 5 for 3. Diamante na palakas. And Bordas, inside pass. Panwayan, Nuno Cascagachon, ginamit ang banda. Shot up. And Tuzen against Lazare, pulls up. 5 for up. Bordas with the ball up. Bordas! And Lazare, and the pass. Pamogas, running down. Nice using the board. Pangalakay. Pass. Paglinawan na kaiwas. Paglinawan. And Pernido. Without the pass, para kay Paglinawan. Paglinawan, lebre sa tres. Short left. Paglinawan, with the open rebound. Sinaw sa pass. Paglinawan. With the close pass, Bordas. And pass. Pass down, Almasa. Wala yung rebound. And good with Bastian. Nakawala. Bastian. Binigay kay Espinosa. Sa gitna, Bastian. Nakawala. Bastian. Nakawala ng ball. Bastian. Binigay with the steal of Morado. Morado. Just Morado. Morado. Labas ang bola. Panginawag 5 for 3. Wala yan. And the rebound. Pamogas. Labas ang bola kay Hasme. Stop and back by the long two. Hasme. 40. And Morado then dancing against the defense of Panuayan. Pamogas for 3. Pamogas for 3. And dropping steal of Pamogas. And from Ginawan, puts up for the tie. Kakala mo tayo. We don't have a run. Morado. Puts up. Waiting for Bono Almasa. And one bonus break goal. Balik po tayo sa second. And the rebound. Napunta kay Bordas. And set pass. Panwayan, hindi tinuloy. Nakawala ng mabya. And traffic. With the 9 seconds. Bordas sa kita. Pasok yan. And Morado sa panagilid. And Sergio Lasarte. And traffic inside pass. Morado with the baseline. Oh! Joshua Morado with the third time deep block. 3 minutes and 45 seconds. Still Morado. Morado for the lead. 10 seconds sa lang shot clock. Lasarte para magpasa. Diamante inside. Oh! Ginamit ni Diamante ang kanyang wala ng baga. And traffic nabuang. With the post up. Ginamit ang banda. Napalakas. Nabang with the second time. Bumaba. Huli ka ni Morado. And Morado with a big pass. Diamante. And the pass. Aton Lucas. Passman. Lamang na po itong Team RD Vikings. And Bordas. Still on. And Sinagapo. Aton Lucas. And Panwayan. With a cross pass. Still on Diamante. Low ball. And the pass. Aton Lucas. Tano. Nakulat itong Team Morado. With a line. Diamante. Morado. Halfway. 2 seconds. For round 2. Wala. Diamante here. A nice follow-up shot para kay Morado. Spain. With a baseball pass. Still on Morado. And Diamante. Morado pulls up. Joshua Morado. Eight to 10. Barrett, 100. Wala. Warriors with the follow-up. Wala pa rin. And the rebound, Morado. And Morado.
Grabe dugay na human.
15 seconds. Another shot clock. Panginawan. 8. Perdido. Wala. And the rebound. Morado. Panginawan. 10 seconds. Another shot clock. 7 seconds. Gloria. Pascal with a left 100. 74-92. Morado, 150. Gloria. Morado. Pamoga, 5 for 3. Kana. Perdido. Jose, 3 more seconds to play, 55 seconds. Bastian, 2 points. Panginawan. Gloria. And Gloria. 97-8-78. Kino Morado. Perdido. Gloria. 35 seconds.
Hara!
Panginawan.
Awa, awa!
20 seconds. Pamogas. Jose. Barrett. 2 points Barrett. 82-99. Perdido. The pass. Gloria. 101-82. Final score.